You're here already? Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me just finish filling out my passport application. Let me print it out, add the supporting documents on top of it, and then mail it to my passport agency. Oh, so exciting, isn't it? Thrilling that I'm going to have my passport in less than 2 weeks and I'll be able to travel overseas. But what if, due to all of the excitement in the air, I accidentally make a small mistake? I forget to do a checkbox here. I forget to add a dot here, or I forget to add a certain document. Well, then that passport agency will just send my entire application back. And to me, I have no complaints there whatsoever because they sent it back for a valid reason. I missed something. So now I'm expected to revise it and mail it back, paying the mailing fees again, which I totally understand. But what if I'm on the last minute passport? What do I do then? Do I just bang my head against the wall in frustration? I think not, because this is where my unique thought comes into play. What if there was a way that I could scan all of these documents in the order that I was going to physically mail it, and that I can put it through this online mechanism, and I could get it verified by the embassy? And well, I'd be more than happy to pay the verification fees, because when it comes back saying, oh, 100% verified, I can easily say that my application is going to get accepted and I'm going to get my passport. Or this verification service, it could say that, oh, you have a little mistake here, you might want to fix it. Then I can quickly revise my document, fix that mistake, rerun the cycle, and bam, I would know for 100% that my application will be accepted. So now I can just sit on my couch, eat some chips, relax while I'm waiting for my passport to come on in. And to me personally, I don't know about you, but I hope you agree that we should definitely have some sort of scanning verification system in today's time, because think about it. It's a win-win for everyone. Your embassy, well, they're getting more money due to this verification system, and me, well, I'm not dealing with that frustration. I don't have to pay the mailing fees over and over again, and I know that I haven't missed anything. And additionally, it could also help save the environment, because there'll be less carbon dioxide in the air, because your application won't be going back and forth just because of these small little mistakes. So make sure you continue noticing your surroundings all around you to retrieve your unique thought as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!